Hello, children. I hope you all are doing good. Children, we shall be doing a new lesson today. The name of the lesson is Connecting the Dots. This is a part of a commencement speech given by Steve Jobs to graduate students of Frankfurt University in 2005. In this, he talks about his college experiences, about getting fired from Apple, his love life, his brush with death. You can even watch Steve Jobs giving speech on YouTube. Steve Paul Jobs was born on 24th February 1955 and he died on 5th October 2011 at the age of 56. Steve Jobs was an American entrepreneur, business magnate, inventor, and industrial designer. He was the chairman, CEO, and co founder of Apple. He is widely recognized as one of the pioneers of microcomputer revolution of 1970s and 1980s. Let us all come to page number 62 of your textbook and try to understand the message given to us by him through his speech. He says that he wants to tell us three stories, just three stories of his life. Children, he said that he dropped out of Reed College after the first 6 months and dropped in after 18 months before he really quit. He had thirst for knowledge, but he preferred subjects that he found interesting and he avoided the subjects which he did not find interesting. Even though he had enrolled for the course, he did not attend lectures. He had stopped attending lectures, and according to him, it was the best decision of his life. He faced many kinds of hardships in order to study what he wanted to. He did not have any room, so he slept on the floor in his friend's room. He returned Coke bottles for 5 cents to buy food. He would walk 7 miles every Sunday to get one good meal at Krishna temple. उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की और उन्होंने एवरी संडे को वो 7 माइल चल कर जाते थे सिर्फ एक हरे कृष्णा टेम्पल में अच्छा खाना खाने के लिए. वो कोक बॉटल्स रिटर्न करते थे ताकि जो भी पैसा उससे मिलता था वो उससे अपने खाने पीने का बंदोबस्त करते थे. He had a natural curiosity and intuition. He had a special quality in him that storing things in his mind for future use. Here's is an example that he shared with us. There was a calligraphy class organized by Reed College, so he had learnt about serifs and sans serif typefaces. Serif means children a stroke which is used by an alphabet after an alphabet, and sans serif means without any stroke to make design. हम जो कैलीग्राफी मीन्स चिल्ड्रन अच्छी हैंड राइटिंग एट्रैक्टिव हैंड राइटिंग होती है, थोड़ा स्टाइल से लिखते हैं, उसे कैलीग्राफी कहते हैं. दिस मेड द टोपोग्राफी ग्रेट विच मीन्स द प्रिंटेड मैटर looked very attractive. So after 10 years when he designed the first Macintosh computer, he recalled his calligraphy class and designed all that into Macintosh computer. He says, you cannot connect the dots looking forward, you can only connect them looking backwards. कभी कभी हम सोचते हैं चिल्ड्रन, कुछ अच्छी चीज़ होती है तो हम सोचते हैं कि ये क्यों हुई, कुछ बुरी चीज़ होती है तो ऐसा क्यों हुआ, हमेशा हमारे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है, हम कोई चीज़ सीखते हैं तो ये सीखने का क्या फ़ायदा. लेकिन लाइफ में आगे चलकर पता लगता है कि जो होता है वो अच्छे के लिए ही होता है. यू शुड हैव ट्रस्ट इन योर सेल्फ. अपने आप पर विश्वास रखें, भरोसा रखें. ट्रस्ट योर गट, डेस्टिनी, लाइफ एंड कर्मा, वट एवर. यही अप्रोच से वो आगे बढ़ते रहे and it has never let him down, and this all had made a lot of difference in his life. Now let us listen to his second story. His second story is about love and loss. He started his Apple company when he was 20 years old with his friend Wozniak at his parents' garage. In just 10 years, his company grew into $2 billion. And then a bad thing happened. He got fired. He was totally devastated. बहुत टूट चुके थे लेकिन उन्होंने हार नहीं मानी. He says, even if our efforts results in disaster, we should continue to believe in ourselves. We should love our work. If we haven't found, keep on searching. If we lose everything, have the courage to start all over again. He worked very hard and after lots of hard work and determination, बहुत ही मेहनत करने के बाद उन्होंने अपनी नई कंपनी फिर से शुरू की. He started a company named Pixar, and Pixar is now the world's most successful animation studio, which Apple bought next. He then returned to Apple again and developed a new technology, which was the heart of Apple's renaissance. He got married to a woman whom he loved. Her name was Lauren, and they both had a wonderful family together. But sometimes, when everything is going smooth, there comes a twist in the life. जब सब अच्छा चल रहा होता है तभी कोई ना कोई मुसीबत लाइफ में ज़रूर आ जाती है. He said life hits you in a head with a brick. मानो कि किसी ने मुसीबत का पहाड़ ही सर पर पड़ गया हो. His third story is about death. He was diagnosed with cancer. His doctor prepared him to face an early death. One full day he kept on thinking, but later in the evening he had a biopsy. Biopsy means, children, it is a process of removing and examining a small amount of tissue from a person's body to find more about the illness. So he found out that it was a rare form of pancreatic cancer and it could be cured with a surgery. उन्होंने सर्जरी करा ली और उसके बाद वो एकदम ठीक थे. He faced death so closely. He came to a conclusion that we have very little time on earth, so वी शुड रियलाइज़ आर पोटेंशियल. हमें अपने टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना है और अपनी ताकत पूरी तरीके से इस्तेमाल करनी है और आगे बढ़ते रहना है. डिस्कवर योर पैशन एंड पोटेंशियल एंड वर्क हार्ड ऑन इट. डोंट बॉदर अबाउट व्हाट पीपल से. अपने दिल और दिमाग की ही सुने, लोगों की आवाज़ को अपनी आवाज़ बनने ना दें. He concluded his speech by mentioning about an amazing publication called The Whole Earth Catalog. They had put up an early morning countryside picture on it. Beneath it were the words, "Stay hungry, stay foolish." Stay hungry means, children, always keep wanting something more, something new. हमेशा अपने अंदर वो एक चीज़ रखें कि आपको कुछ नया सीखना है, कोई नवी चीज़ें सीखनी है और बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखनी है. And stay foolish. Stay foolish means, children, always keep an open mind. Never think that you know everything. हमेशा अंदर ऐसे सोचे कि हमें बहुत कुछ सीखना है, ऐसे नहीं बोलना है कि मुझे सब आता है. He finishes his speech by giving a farewell message to all the graduate students. Stay hungry, stay foolish. So children, what message do we get from this lesson? We learnt that always achieve for more. Don't waste time regretting the mistakes you have made. Avoid making same mistakes in life. At the end of the day, the dots will connect. Have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. Never be disheartened by failure. Always keep trying and trying hard. You will definitely achieve success in life.